Hi boys and girls. Today I'm going to do a little introductory lesson on money. So the first coin I want to talk about is 5 cents, which is a nickel. You can identify a nickel because on the front of the coin there will be a beaver and it will say 5 cents. Okay, so again that's called a nickel and it is worth 5 cents. What does that mean exactly? So a nickel is worth 5 cents. Each block is worth 1 cent. So you need 5 of these to make a nickel. The next coin is the dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. And you can identify this coin because it shall have a boat at the front, a blue nose boat. Okay, you don't need to know that name, but just if you can identify the boat, you know it's worth 10 cents. So what does that mean? Well, here's a dime. You need 10 of these blocks, or again, one of these blocks is worth 1 cent. 10 of these to equal one of these. Okay. The next coin I'm going to talk to you about is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Okay, you can identify this coin in Canada because on the front is going to be a caribou. Okay, it looks like a moose, but it's actually called a caribou. So 25 cents caribou. And what does that mean? Well, here's 25 cents. You need 25 blocks, or each one is worth 1 cent, 25 cents to make up this one coin. Okay, if you're like me, you're thinking, thank goodness that we have these coins, or else we would need much, much bigger purses or wallets to carry 1 cent. Okay, it's so much more efficient to use these coins than carrying these pennies, which do not exist anymore. Okay, so we have our 25 cents. The other coin I kind of want to talk to you about is the loonie. Okay, and the front of the loonie, boys and girls, up closer, is a loon. It looks like a duck, but it is a bird, and that is worth $1. Do you know how many cents you need to get a loonie or a dollar? If you guessed 100, you are correct. The other coin that you may see is a toonie. Do you know what animal that is on the front of the toonie? A polar bear? You're correct. And you need 200 cents to make $2 or a toonie. Okay? So we've just gone through the coins here and we've gone over the value of each coin. A nickel is worth 5 cents, dime, 10 cents, a quarter, 25 cents. So that's 10, 10, and 5, a row of 10, and a row of 5. Okay. The next little bit I want to talk to you about is making change. All right? If I said to you, boys and girls, I want you to give me 20 cents. I want you to think right now, how can you make 20 cents? I'll give you a second here or two. Think about what different ways you can use. So for 20 cents, I can use even my hundreds chart. Okay, I look here. Oh, it's in the tens column here, counting by tens. So how many tens do I need to make 20? Well, you know it's a double, because when we counted by tens, you know you have 10, and after 10, counting by tens, is 20. So you got 20 cents that way. Can I use a quarter? Well, the value of a quarter is 25 cents. That's way too much. Five more than 20. So that's not going to work. Okay? But what about using fives? 5, 10, 15, 20. That'll work. So we can try using a nickel. So 2 dimes equal 20 cents? 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay. Did you notice something? A difference between the 2 coins? Think about it. Do I need more or less dimes to make 20 than nickels? Well, the value of a dime is greater than the value of a nickel. Because the value is less, this is only worth 5 cents. To make 20, we need more coins. The value of a dime is worth 10 cents. So we need less coins to make 20. And again, I say, thank goodness that we have coins with different values, or else we'd be carrying a lot of change. Now I showed you how to make change with 20 cents. Can you try making change with, or try making different types of way of change for 35 cents? I'll give you a second here, or a couple of seconds. Try to figure that out. What are the different ways that we can make 35 cents? Now, I'd still like to use my hundreds chart, 35 cents. Now, if I use 2 quarters, that gives me 50 cents. That is way greater than what we need. We need 35 cents. Do you think we can use a quarter? Yes. And remember we talked about this going this way? That's like counting by tens too, right? So 35 is 10 greater than 25 cents. Let's see. I got 25 plus 10. That equals 35 cents. Okay. I could also go 25, add a 5 to there, that's 30. And then another 5, that's 35 cents as well. Okay. More coins are required when you use a nickel. Or you can go 10, 20, and 30 and add a nickel, and you get 35 cents. Or you can use a whole bunch of nickels. So here is 20, 30, 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Sorry about that, boys and girls. Here's another nickel. 35 cents. More coins, because the value is less of each of these coins. Less coins when the value is greater. Or like that. Okay? So try giving these exercises a try. Thank you.